Ons was verlede jaar hier vir mini donuts, maar hierdie jaar is ek hier vir mini donuts en bier. Okay, so hier's 'n lys van goed wat ons vandag moet kry, soos 'n canopy, 'n snorkel, my precious gesondheid.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
It's very
Dis
very
baie
busy.
besig.
Yeah. yeah. I hate 'cause
and then from there you can make an informed decision. So for Bossemat, we've gone with a stainless steel canopy. It's a little bit heavier than the aluminium, but it is significantly stronger as well.
So sorry, but they offered me a beer and I couldn't say no, so here we are.
is redelik iets uniek en is 'n spesifieke mark.
No, we have enough money. We're gonna have to start our OnlyFans for Zeno.